Trouble turn up.
Yeah, boy.
The Jamaica Labour Party JLP is rolling out a national rural school bus system in Jamaica, providing safe and affordable transportation for students and integrating the JUTC buses with disability access and potentially lower fares. This initiative, launched around August 2025, is part of the JLP's broader efforts to improve public transportation, road infrastructure, and the overall commuting experience for Jamaicans. Meanwhile, a voice note leaked with a JLP supporter planning to sabotage Buchanan after they swear him in East Portland.
When we done with ISAT, you might have come every day, mama push him out. Remember, say me tell you that. Yeah, you think we done yet? You think we done yet? Oh, we not done. You know, so them have to go back forward pub. If you not worry himself, we not worry, you know, him not worry himself. The height that attack, we are gonna make sure that we are gonna keep track of everything. Cause we are gonna bring him right down the ground. Cause him not have no money. Yeah. We are all that either when I big up himself and all I promise and when I promise people, we are gonna start taking to social media now because we are gonna want them anything you see 1 month pass. And you see next month come and done. We can start go up on social media, the social media page them and all the clippings, and we're gonna make sure that for the rest of 4 years, all of them we are gonna hold him to them as labor right. So you know worry yourself. Don't make promises you can't keep, and we are gonna make sure of that. He win. And he said that in first talk when me, oh, people go to prison. That are their style. Every time when PMP go in power, that are the first thing they say. Oh, them go to prison because them go take the rest at the time when you have to run here. The whole 4 years. And everything him go take again can do. I find fault. And I said this and this and then at the end of the term now happen at East Portland more than fault I find one and me you think that we are going to joke with him? We not joke with him. Remember, say me tell you that we not joke with him. It's not like one time. We not joke with him. So you don't know. You better get ready. Make sure you can meet the track record like Miss Vaz. Because if you post anything in post, we are going to oppose the other people. Here? Remember that. Oh, so you better make sure you say anything ready. Get ready and ready for work because if you not work, you're going to put it on social media. If you feel like oh, what they will miss you do all down above me, I got some place where Mr. Vaz road already and then turn against him and nobody look at the old dirty thinking PMP them. And so we are going to do Mr. Buchanan.
Yeah, boy.
Trouble turn up.